Well, hello, it's Bears back again, having a lock. Master Pro Series 7050. I've had this lock a while. I just really like this lock. It's really solid built. That's the bedding on the keys. I just can't explain why I like this one over some other locks. It's just one of my favorites. I've never had this open inside, so figured we might as well go ahead and try getting it done now. Very back, there's 5, I mean. 4, little click, 3, click and a movement. Come to 2, ooh, and nothing on 1. Let's start back here again, see if we can. That one left me in a bad spot. There it went. Okay. Nothing. To the back here. Getting solid everywhere. Not getting on something or trying to pick warding or something. This core moves around a lot, so right here. I get on it, feel the movement. Oh. Wow. Let's see what happened there. I think I put myself back to square one. That's ugly. There we go. Now we drop back. There we go. Now we got it back again. Jeez. Keep getting caught up on that one. I don't think that's supposed to do that, so movement just is throwing me off big time. I think I found that one. Ooh, I think I found it all the way. Yep, I did. I got it. It was number 1 back here. I didn't get on him very well, so ooh. An assortment. Oh, I gotta knock everything over. It's my job. That's what I do. I think that's it. There we go. Oh, come on. Oh, sorry. You're beat the crap out of the camera. No, we're not all the way. Bill, thank you for this tray. I appreciate it. And let's go ahead, since we got the key, let's lock it back. And oh, I like better locks. Yeah. Oh, well, we'll go fetch that one some other time when I go to put it back together. Okay, where's my key? There it is. And a follower. And oh. See if we can get away with this one. I don't know, but we shall find out. Dirty dog. Tries to what the? Give me the. Come here. You give me trouble. Are you kidding me? Buddy boy. Fix your little red wagon. Oh, would you quit? Doggone it. Okay, I forgot it's a master. I've been trying to use an American follower. And oh, there's where our pins sit in that lock. Go to 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Come on, baby. Get out of there. There we go. Oh. Over a little snot. And they all look standard. So I'm going to go from the back here. It'd be nice to have my tweezers. I know, folks. I'm doing a piss poor job, but oh well. You might want to turn it over, Dale. There's the empty chamber and spool in 1 or spool in 5. Oh, well, that worked really well. We know it's probably spools all the way. These things are so greasy, they're sticking to everything. Them and the springs. Got one on the floor, so that's always nice. All right, you're really just irritating the crap out of me here. Okay. Must have lost more than I thought. Wonderful. That's in there. Just don't want to come out. There it is. That's because all the well, I know I got that spool down here on the ground somewhere, but I can't see it right now. I'm sure it is a spool, but we got 4 spools and there's set pin, whatever you want to call that thing, a barrel pin or whatever. Well, anyway, that's that lock. Finally got it open. Thanks for watching, everybody.